Hey, what's up everyone? I have a 2011 4Runner here. Has the maintenance required light on, and I just got done changing the oil, so we want to turn that off. And I'm going to walk y'all through the steps of doing that. So right here, you can kind of see there's a little odometer button. We're just going to tap it to where we're on trip A. Once you do that, we're just going to turn the car off. We're gonna hold that button up here, and then we're gonna turn the car back on. We're not gonna do the ignition, we're just gonna click it 2 times. And then you see it flash in there on the left side. We're just gonna keep holding it until it disappears, and we should be good to go. So we're gonna kick the vehicle on. You'll see we are set. That maintenance light is gone. So hope this video was helpful. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.